or to me, but everything that's happening right now is it's supposed to happen. So trust is such a tough thing, because I mean, where I was at was I was wanting to take my life and control it in every single aspect. And if it didn't work out the way that I had envisioned in my mind as it going, then I was a failure, and I would kind of shut down, you know, when in reality, God's got us, man. All right, we're gonna try to fish these banks right here, see what we can do. I'm going back to the same island I was camping at. I'm gonna kind of circle it and see if we can't catch any fish, and then maybe I can beach this thing and take a rest every once in a while. Oh yeah, I'm so thirsty. I only brought my one bladder of water, and I think I'm almost out of it.